What's up guys, myself Aditya here. Today we are going to be unboxing Airtel Xstream box. This set of box has 5000 plus apps and a lot of video games too. If your TV has a HDMI port, you can easily use this box. So without wasting any time, let us start in the unboxing. Right here I have got the Airtel Xstream box. The build quality is really very nice. So right here, let's check the box. Here are the audio, video and other ports, a HDMI, a USB port, a Ethernet port and the charging cable. Right here we can connect it here. Now right here we have another USB port and a micro SD card port. Here the on and off button, and it runs Android 9.1 with Dolby audio. So let us try about the box. If you set up your box, this is how it looks. You can watch all TV channels, YouTube, Disney Hotstar, Netflix, Prime Video, everything. So that's all unboxing of this amazing Airtel Xstream box. I hope you really like it. Watch this video here and subscribe here. Bye bye, I'll catch you in the next one.